Okay, Go extension is active as of now. So the idea for today is I need to send a way. I need to basically find a way. So this is what currently I have, but fine. So I need a new way to communicate it. So in the same Golang server, there needs to be, I need to have all the stats coming to this website. And I need to update the top 5 contributors for today. So I would like to do that. In the main function, we generally need to maintain a set of array, I guess. So let's have it working. Should be a slice. So I'm going to give it a slice of type. What is it? Leaderboard. This is a struct, and it should have a username and point. Basically, that's it. Pretty straightforward. So initially, I won't be giving anything, I guess. I have to give it. What is that? Not deal with this as of now. Do I need to have it mandatory? So I'm initializing it to M3 as of first. So initialize handler, process message queue, network socket stacks. Where is the damn stack? Stream URL, this is where the stream is sent. So the thing is, if video URL not equal to stream URL, then that means the stream has changed. Stream URL has changed, so this is the right time now to reset the entire application data. So reset. I'm good. In simple terms, I'll just write a function reset so that I can store everything in one place. It's the main function. Okay. Okay. Function reset. So user needs to be cleared. Is there a function for this? I think I already have this user dot. Okay. There is stream reset. From where is this getting reset? Stream reset. Am I doing it wrong? I have no idea. Okay, so there is one place, so I can basically do the same in here as well. Tail doodle board equal to not a string. The string data has been reset. Perfectly fine. Am I? Just think I don't need it. There are two things basically I need to do. The first one is to back up the existing database which I have. I need to do something with this. I think it's better to upload this somewhere in the cloud. Firebase, data storage, the free S3 lifetime forever. Let's pricing for this free cloud storage for development. No. Where can I search for storage and media processing? That's fine. Hey Anton, welcome back. I'm so sorry I wasn't really looking at the chat. Yeah. Welcome. So the plan for today is there are two major things I would like to do. One is a new feature and the other one is just a quality of life for my application. So as you know, I currently have I think I'm using SQLite, I guess. I kind of forgot what database I'm using. One second. Yep, I'm using SQLite. So, hey, thanks for the like. I don't know why there's no audio. That's the reason. Thank you. Right, let's just try resetting that. Time to time, I need to figure out this reset. Let's make a sound, I guess. 1 second. Okay, I got whatever I need. Oh. Right. So that's what happens. I just use that basic command to test whether I'm getting the audio in my ears. So I'm sure you might be getting the same for the stream, but sometimes I don't get the audio because I use multiple monitors, and if I turn off my monitor, like my third monitor, the output drivers won't reset automatically when I start the stream, so I need to refresh. I tend to forget these things, which cost me my mental peace. So yeah, here is the update. I'm using this database now. So this is the local database file, which is where it's being stored. I need to find a way to back this up, basically. But I don't want to do SQL backup. I just want to back up the file. So every night, 12 o'clock, something at a random time, the server needs to upload this file to somewhere. I didn't decide which. I'm just trying to see, are there any other free alternates? But looks like there's something. So yeah, that's one security kind of thing I wanted to do. And the other one is the leaderboard. Vivekanand, what are your best resource for TS that you would suggest? Best resource for TS. I don't really. So I'm not a really documentations reading person. I don't really go to Typescript and then start learning. So depending on your use case, if you're trying to do something, just do it in Typescript. So you start it, then you'll get to know what you're doing. If you don't have any basic knowledge, then there is a Typescript playground. There is this one where you can just basically do some function, like simple like a calculator, but with types. Basic mathematics, but with types. In that way, you can learn it. But again, the more you do, the more projects or the more real-time applications you build, that's when you truly learn it. Can you write a script to back up the database to a designated drive? Of course I can. So I have a setup like that, but there are some issues with it. So I own my own, I maintain my own Nextcloud session in my drive. But the problem is I need to hardwire it. The IP address needs to be fixed. And also, what else? Yeah, basically everything needs to be communicated with the IP address. I need to change a lot in the code base. The issue now is, let's say this. So let's say this is my Golang application which has the database. I want to make changes to this file without deleting the user database. So if I restart this application, this file is going to get corrupted. That's how secure it is. So while keeping this running, I need to make changes to it. How can I update the application without restarting the application? It's not possible. So I need to do this synchronization thing outside of this application. So basically I need to initialize a new Go instance, which will just move this file to somewhere. It can be my NAS. But again, the reason why I don't use this is there is a fixed link of my IP address. In order for me to change the IP address, I need to change the code. That's what I'm trying to avoid. So I don't want to change the code for the update. I would give a damn URL, one URL, and it should keep working, at least for some longer time. So NAS is it's not really an option. And the other one is S3. I'm just trying to figure out if S3 is free, or I don't know how much cost does it take, and it needs a lot of information. It needs my credit card and damn whatever things. I don't want to use that. I personally use Neon for storage. Sorry, for Postgres. For some of my Postgres sessions, it's fine. It has this much storage, but it's not really like object-based storage or file-based storage. It's database storage. That's not what I want. So what else do I have? I need an API where I can use this and upload it. Does anyone know if S3 is free? Amazon services free forever. I think there is a term forever or always. Pricing, yeah. Please go to prior. Yeah. Okay, always free. Let's see. I don't need database. I don't need Lambda is good, but I don't need it. SQS, no. Why not just use this database? I don't want to use cloud database. It slows down. It slows down few things. So S3 is not an option. What do I have? So Vivekananda Reddy, I believe I have answered your question, but if you want me to say it in other ways, just let me know. I'm not really a person who I don't really have that much time to just open a documentation and read through it. Just like I wanted to learn Golang, I just started the project with Golang and just learned with the flow. As I am good at from other programming languages, it's not really hard to switch language unless you're moving to completely different, like Rust or something else. TypeScript is a really good language. If you need help with it, I can help you. Anyway, you seem new to my channel. If you're still here, I have a few things where I can show you. If you're still there, obviously. So Anton, do you have it's free tier? Free for account? S3 free alternate. I just need at least 1 GB. What is this? Surprising for it. It doesn't have a free storage. Fine. I just want to see if you think if it's working or not. Yep, this thing is working. Okay, that's thing is good. Google Cloud Storage. No, I don't want to use it. What is this? I think it's a hard right time for me to do it then. Object-based storage. Okay, Google Cloud Storage. G2Ds. What are these? I'm so much dependent on Raspberry Pi, so that's one more big concern. So the reason I'm not using my own NAS server is the reverse proxy runs on Raspberry Pi. If my Pi is down, the entire server is down. So I don't want to back it up to something which relies on my Raspberry Pi. It can rely on my server or my gaming PC, but not as a storage. So that's the reason I want to store it in cloud, somewhere where I'm sure that the file will be stored. Yep. So yeah, I can write a script to move it to my NAS. What if my Pi is down? What if my IP address has changed? I have to manually change it. Instead, there is an easier route. If I could find a cloud provider who could just give me 100 MB, 10 MB for free, that should be fine. But I know data is expensive. I don't think any company would do it. Well, why not just what is this Linode E2EE? That's end-to-end encryption. Whom should I ask? Whom should I ask? Whom should I ask? Storage and media processing. Cloud storage, okay. P cloud, secure, and what is this? Pricing, individual plan, obviously, but it says free for developers. That's not free. Okay, let's do something else. Why is it this hard? I am out of ideas, man. I'm really out of ideas. So, how about Mega? Are you heard about Mega? Or is the only thing which? Oh my god! So if I do this at every night, 3 a.m., I open the database, I get all the results, and then update my cloud instance. Let's say I'm using a Neon DB, which gives a free Postgres. If I do that, it's a lot of challenge because I need to manually update the rows with the user IDs. That's not what I want to do. Any brilliant ideas, Anton? I need to find something. How hard is it to upload it in the Google Drive? But for that, I need to have my Drive API, Google Cloud Developers account, which I have already, but it's about limited. So that's not an option. For 1 year, I can use S3, but it needs credit card and it's not completely free, so ignore it. How about, does Azure have something? It's really too complicated. Let's see. Go away, please. Okay. I need a free cloud storage which has easy API SDK where I need to upload a file. S3 is not free, so something else which is developer friendly, and also it needs to be done using a script so that I don't have to drag and drop the file myself. Google Cloud Storage. Dropbox. Dropbox. Let's give Google Cloud Storage a try. I haven't given this part of myself. Let's try this. Oh, this has the stupid credits. Okay, Google Cloud. My Android phone is thinking that I'm talking to it. But, okay, Google. Stop talking. It asked me, what do you want me to stop? Okay, I think, let's see, only pay for what is yours. Okay, let's give it a try. Google Cloud. I think I have my keys already. So, yep, console. Where is it? APIs and services? Yes. And I need to use storage. Cloud storage, enterprise ready, object storage. Yes, this is the one I want. Yep. What's all this? Optimize your storage for. I think there should be something else. I think Firebase storage. Is it free? No cost, hosting storage not applicable. No cost up to 5 GB per month. What is it? Not applicable? Okay, I think storage is not free. I think storage is not free. What is this? Cloud Fire Store, 1 GB total. Documents. I think this is the database. Yep, cloud storage, 5 GB is fine. Okay, let's try to use this. Console, Firebase console. Just wanted to add one more service or view. And inside this, storage. I think I already tried this. That's why I'm saying this here. So upgrade your project billing plan. Okay, let's try using something else. Maybe app check, CloudFront, data connect. What was the one which was free? Functions. It was showing me that it's free. Free as you go plan, yes. I don't need a billing account, dude. Why do I need a billing account? So let's deal with this then. Storage, cloud storage. Yep, create a bucket. Why is unable to create a bucket when billing is disabled? Okay, then Google is not an option. What else do I have? What else do I have? What else do I have? Google is done. This is done. What was the others ChatGPT was providing to me? Rob. What is Blaze B2? Anyone has heard of this? Show me the prices, please. This doesn't free. Well, it's cheap. I can say that, but definitely free. P Cloud. Let's see what it does. Pricing. I think I have already covered this. It's not free as well. Okay, then what are the other things? Well, the only option I have now is Google Drive. I don't want to use Google Drive. options do I have? What option do I have? Well, let's do this then. Okay. Forget uploading the database file itself. Is it a good idea to store it in my NAS? Okay, let's try to do this then. I need to okay, let's see if cloud file browser API based. My program needs to quick and simple. Okay, does it have it? File browser, does it have a web interface, but the API? Command line interface, never heard of this myself. What is Gitbook? Build docs as a product, not an after product. Fine, what is this? Rising with free. This is the project. So, rule. These are all rules. I don't want rules. I think this is fine. Well, let's do this. I need to store this DB file and make a copy of it, move it to my NAS. I guess this is one option I have. Oh. What am I doing? Golang copy a file. To a path network. Maybe like a couple of files if you let me see the chat myself. What if you had like a 3-drive redundancy? Do you think it's worth it to put a 3-drive redundancy? I do have a RAID system. It's not, the problem is it's not the storage which I'm worried about. So this is the thing. So let me change all this garbage. So this is the thing. So this is the DB file. Okay. So this is the NAS I own, which has RAID system. It has 4 TB, which also runs my image, Jellyfin, and other servers. It's 8 TB total, but 4 TB in the set it as RAID mode. So there is not, as of now, there is a direct connection. I have to use my IP. Then that's when it works fine. The problem with this is, I imagine if I move out, the Raspberry Pi has its own thing going on. I don't want to go much deep, but the IP address changes. So I don't want to hard code my IP address. I need to find an intelligent way to get the IP address myself. That is not really possible. I need to make a network request for all my IP addresses, then find the exact MAC address based on MAC address, and then find the IP address for it. So that's not valid. Maybe make a console interface for easy IP change. Well, that's a possible solution, but always consider this thing. In software engineering, what is the thing you want to achieve and how much efforts you want to put into it. So developing front end or a console or a command line, CLI. Well, I got an idea. So how about this? I store the IP address in a text file. I can access this text file. I have my own file browser service running. So it can be in cloud, it can be anywhere. It will have the IP address. And Golang will make a HTTP request. Or if it's a local file, it will be just pulling it from FTP or something else. But anything network based or direct call, doesn't matter. It can get the IP address if I had to change the address. I think this is a lot simpler. It doesn't need any It doesn't need any complex front-end or React or Angular or nothing. I don't have to build a CLI. So what do you think? I think this is better. I can update the text file using GitHub. So it's fine. I can use a lot. Yeah, this is a good solution. Now I can, if I get the IP address, I just need to make a copy of this file and move it to my NAS. I don't think it's really a NAS. It's a DAS, direct attached storage. But let's consider it as an NAS. Yeah, and easy to build because it's just a couple of lines of code to update and change the text file. I don't really need to write a code to update the text file. I can directly access the text file with my other service. I can just change the code in it, and every night 12 a.m. it's going to fetch that file and read it. So if I change it today, it's going to get changed anyways. What are the errors handles I need to do for this? So obviously, file not found, FOF, and what else? IP can't be pinged, but again, those are all network related issues. So this is the approach. All right. As of now, let's do it in a hard way. So this, what do you call this? What is the right file name for this? Should be called backupper? No. What should we call it? Child process? No. Let's use ChatGPT. It's too much. I don't need to depend. Data IP can't. Oh my God. I always suggest me complex solutions. Data IP controller. Oh. So this one file needs to have everything. This one file needs to fetch the IP, get the user db.db file, upload it to my NAS, and it needs to be doing it every day. The thing is, why I want it in one function or one file is it's easier to manage in Golang, whether instead of calling like multiple lines of code from different files. I just wanted to write everything in one file. So I think it's better to write it in helper. Helper is what it's going to do. So function backup db. That's fine. Okay. What is okay inside this? Don't feel bad if I don't take your solutions. It's just, I hope you understand. Every idea is a good idea. It's just how you want to do finally. I hope you're cool. So, if you're chilling, then let's just chill. Damn it, work, damn it. For you, I think you're doing integrations. Oh, it's too big. Too big. I'm doing sometime else. You're basically a lofi music. What? My voice is the worst thing I ever heard, actually. So, do you normally hear your own voice and feel like, why do I sound like this? That's what I feel when I hear my voice. But again, if you're happy, then I'm happy. So, backup DB, what it needs to do? So, get the IP and port. I don't need a port. Save it to the NAS somewhere. But I don't really have a IP based NAS, but oh God, this is going to get stream. So I don't need these many tabs, waste of resources, and closing few. Okay. I have Windows based file share. How can I access it and upload a file using Golang? I know multiple ways to do it with SMB or FTP, but I don't know. Oh, is it? Does Windows use SMB? Oh, Windows, that is SMB. I didn't know about this. Okay. Golang SMB. Is there any official filter? How old is this? There are so many Golang. Okay. Nobody is updating this. So, what's this? Likely relevant Go code. This is more complicated than I thought. Apparently, Go doesn't really have much support for it. And what the do? At least this has something. Oh, it's 9 years ago. Oh my god. When was this written? Let's select. So support for SMB or TCP, and eventually, oh, it's not compatible with Linux. But say Go SMB. Oh, it's way too old. This one is way too old. No, 2023 package. System BIOS. No. Network at storage. I thought this was going to be simple. Looks like it's a lot more complicated. How can I access those files? Okay. Is there any way I can back up this .db file using SSL to my local Windows? That's going somewhere too far. There's no way I write my own SMB driver for Golang. So, is there any way to copy a file from my Raspberry Pi to my Windows using SSL? Let's try this. I have another solution. So SSH $100.10.0.236 is my Raspberry Pi. Hope that's up. Now I have logged in. Let's copy. That's it. Oh damn, I copied. Okay. SCP. No. LSCD stream assistant. LSCD alerts. LS is it where the database file is? Yep, it is. SCP. And copy this damn file. Where is it? User db dot db to the users my name phone target. Yeah, let's see if we can see. Does it work? Well, let's have a folder temp. Inside temp, I'm going to save it now. See, temp. Oh, could not resolve the host name. See why? That's not the host name. 10.0.236. Let's see. It's not the host name, dude. Oh, wait a minute, I'm doing this. Okay. I'm doing this inside the wrong terminal. 1 second. Okay. No such DB. Is everything alright from this? To figure out something. Okay, let's let's just give it a path. Where what is the Linux command to see the current directory path? That should be pwd. Yep, pwd. Okay, path, and I'm going to give it somewhere here. Let's see. Damn it. Okay, I'm entering the password. No file. Why there is no file? It should be right here. There is a file right in front of me. Why does it lie to me? There is no file. There is the file right inside this. I don't know what it went, but let's see. Damn. What? Oh, I need to give a forward slash. Okay, that's fine. How to automate this? I need to run this every night at a given time. Yep. Create a batch script. Okay. Oh, that seems fine. I need to create a folder for each date or time when the backup is made, and inside that folder, let's see what happens if I copy it again. It's going to be updated. Let's. Hey, Jagdeep Singh, welcome back, man. How are you? I'm working on a backup script. I try to do it in multiple ways, but everything has a dead end. Yep. Thank you for the like. Okay, happy again. So this is the thing what I'm doing right now. So everything's working as expected. As you can see, the commands are working, the likes are working, everything's working. Now this is just the con jobs what I'm doing right now, which is I have the user database. I need to store it somewhere. It's currently stored in Raspberry Pi, which is not stable. It's working fine, but never knows what will happen. So I want to copy this DB file to my NAS. Let me rephrase. This is not a NAS. This is a DAS. This is direct attached storage. It's not really allowed to be working using network. So yep, you can ask why not S3 or some Google Cloud. They are all paid. S3 is not free. Google Cloud is free, but they want my billing information, and I'm not going to give those. So what options do I have? The only option I have is at every night, I plan to move this file to my DAS by using a script. Initially, I thought let's do SMB, which is what Microsoft or Windows uses to. You're aware of this Windows file sharing system, this one. So which uses SMB, and there is no highly maintained SMB package for Golang. It's a problem. So that's one thing. So this is not possible now. So I found another way. So as you can see, I cannot send the file from Raspberry Pi to Windows. Sad, but I can pull the file from Windows to Raspberry Pi. Or pull from. So in this way, I don't have to deal with all this. I just need to write a batch script with .bat file. That needs to be, I can schedule it in Windows Scheduler. It will just pull it from Raspberry Pi at every night at a particular time when I'm sure that I won't be streaming. So at that time, it's going to pull it, store it in my NAS or DAS folder, and that's it. That will be saved forever. Theoretically, forever. कोई बात नहीं, ब्रश करके आओ और कुछ खाना भी खा के आओ. रहेंगे 1-2 घंटे. 1 मिनट एक मैसेज आया. So why the hell Relangi Mama did it? Why? Someone just decided, oh, thank you. For some reason, Relangi Mama didn't wish you. Okay. For some reason, Relangi Mama didn't wish you. For some reason, thanks for the like. I think this is a new like, so thank you. I think Relangi Mama didn't wish you. I don't know why. It did wish Anton. It didn't wish you. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. Let's see. It should be sudo systemctl status alert.service. Let's see what happened. Did it crash? It's working as expected. Oh damn, you had 137 point. What are you going to do with it? Are you interested in the world of startups? I look I don't really have that much. I'm not that intelligent to have my own startup. You can see I'm just project level. I'm not really that talented. In short, yeah. Are interested in world of startups? So is it a website or a show? World of startups. Where the damn website is? Okay. What are these? Oh, is it something like Y Combinator? What? 3 years ago? Is it being actually maintained? 2 years ago? Is it? No, just the concept of startups. Okay, okay, okay. I thought this is a website. Everything is 2 years old. Contact us, startups. So the concept of startups are very good. They are important for the economy and the people, for the jobs, everything. I'm not, well, deep down, I know I'm not really have that much skills to have my own startup. I don't really have an intelligent idea. I don't think like a food delivery app is a good idea for today. So, yep, I don't really have anything which could shake or which could be used by a lot of people. Like startup ideas, no. So, if you facts, I'm interested in startups if there is someone with a good idea and if they want someone with technical knowledge or someone who can do an honest work, then yes. But I don't really have. I do get ideas, but I know that those are not really business, which could create a business impact ideas. I have a passion ideas, but I don't really have the other thing, which is the business knowledge or how to run a company. I can learn it, but I don't have that many resources to put into my startup and then learn from it. No, I have to learn it, then put resources. Chicken and egg. And I don't have both. This is why I'm here. Send to you. What am I doing? Okay. I think I wrote a script. That's working fine. I need to automate this now. So I already chat GPT'd it. What I'm going to do. So what is this? VS Code and file. Was backup up? Stream backup. Stream DB. Backup. Okay, backup database. Backup DB dot bat. So this is my address. This is where the file is. This one, no, your password here. Okay, where is it being stored again? So I need to run this file. So for that, I'm doing this. Enter the password, please. Looks like it did. No, it didn't. Did it do it? Was there any error? No. I don't understand. It should work. Let's see. It opened the file. It tried to enter my password. I think something's wrong. Enjoy your pee. File copied successfully. There's a. This is what I'm like. I'm doing the exact same thing. Let's say I've deleted this. Let's see if it's working now. I'm not supposed to delete it. It should handle it by itself. Save. What? Did it move into something else? C temp user DB. That's the destination I have. It's not working. So not working, and also the terminal is closing. I don't see any error. What a douchebag. This system cannot find specified path. Oh, PSP. I need to install this. Okay. PSCP. Where is it? PSCP. I already have it. Putty. I think I already have it. So let's see. Oh, I don't have putty. No. I'll open the file browser. This is what it is. So I'm going to give it here. Rename. The bits thing. I can just bin. This is where the file is. Let's see. Starting the copy. Yep. I think it's working now. So if I run it again, what's going to happen? It's going to update the same file. That's fine. Okay, see. Online SQLite viewer. .db viewer. I don't know if it has it or not. You're back. I got it working. I got the thing to work. I'm just trying to see if it's corrupted. No. It's of bytes. Yeah, this is. Oh yeah, I completely forgot. I'm storing it in JSON. You recall this? I'm storing JSON in SQL so that I can do no SQL in SQL. Okay, I got the backup working. I need to write a script, I guess. Yep. So I have the server which runs almost all the time. I'm going to do that. I'll do this sometime else. So again, this is working now, so I'm not going to bother it for it. So the next step is leaderboard. So what is it, if you may ask? It's straightforward. For every stream I do, I maintain a record of top commenters. For instance, Anton. So I like your name to be on my stream, somewhere in the banner, somewhere else. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Yes. Well, how should I do it? First, I need to have an HTML, then do this, do that. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Static, let's say leaderboard. What HTML? What does it have? It basically has the same thing as this. Yep, I don't need all this. Go away, please. So this damn thing needs to make a polling every 2 seconds. That's what I think it's better. So I don't need animations. I don't this JavaScript or library. I don't think all these things are needed. Put all this stuff. I don't need this. I don't need this as well. So title, I don't think I need a title as well. So body. Do I need to open it in a new tab? Doesn't have it, maybe? pretty bad. Open with text editor. No. Oh my god. So let's keep it in that way. Let's use it for Golang and let's open a new one inside somewhere else. Coding, let's say, where is it? Stream assistant. Alert static. So let's open it in this code. Well, what is this? Let's have it run default. That looks fine. Leaderboard. Okay. I just use a damn prettier. Prettier is not working. Why? Oh, yep. It work now? Nice. Wonderful. Okay. So inside body. What I'm going to have is this. Basically needs a marquee. Marquee. Is it removed in HTML? Marquee. This is it. I don't know why it's not working. Okay. So this is what it was. We can open it live server. Let's see how it is. Yep. So direction. Oh my god. Direction, what is it? Row? Up? That's up. Go down, on left, right, right to left, direction, right. Okay. Height should be auto. I don't think height is necessary, and width should be auto as well. Fine. Oh my god, linking text marquee. Marquee alternate. Let's just use the damn. So in the I will write the HTML right here. So script, what does it do? I'm going to use JavaScript now. So it basically needs to do the every 2 seconds. Set timeout. Timeout for every 2 seconds is going to fetch this. So what does it do? It makes an API call, fetch. Does it have it? Fetch? Okay. I think this is the URL where it goes. So fetch 10.10.10. Oh, sorry. HTTP 10.10.10.236 leaderboard. Okay, that's fabulous. So once it fetches it, then you get the data, and it should probably have it console.log data. Cool. So, but I need to run it all the time. Can I keep this run? Oh, it's set interval or not? Oh yeah, set interval. Oh my god. Okay, wait 2 seconds. It should work fine. Yeah. Let's just have it in a try catch log. If, for example, my server is down, I don't want the website to crash. Console.log. Error. Stupid. Console.log. Error. Okay, they should work as expected. So now I need to do this leaderboard. Let's see. I don't think I need all these changes, so I'm going to ignore this. Fine. Routes? No. Post. Let's write get function, which is of leaderboard. Send strings. Okay. What does this do? Is it? It's just, sorry, my bad. What is it complaining about? Okay, yeah, I don't know this. So delete. Okay. This is the leaderboard. Okay, cool. see what does this has to do. I don't need all this. And all this. Yep. Okay. So let's run this now. Little main. What? Oh, go run main.go. See. So we have this running, and inside this leaderboard, instead of this, it needs to be 128. And what is the code? Retard. Oh. Guess it's not working. Well, cause origin. What that this has to do with cause origin? We're doing something different here. That's a WebSocket. Oh, that will work fine. This is the GIFs which were working previously. That's a WebSocket. I don't want to deal with a WebSocket. I already have enough WebSockets. Let's see if I missed a line. Let me put my weight. All that twice. It just gave me the whole code, basically the same thing, but with a lot more better code. What's the error with this? I hate cores, man. I hate cores. It's a good thing, but it's the worst. How can I disable cores in Golang? Oh my goodness, cores. Don't have it? Wonderful. Cores in Golang. Cores package, is it included already? Oh, this is where it is. Okay. Just fix it. The hell? What's the problem with this? See if this has something to do with this. Okay, that kept working. Let's see. Unexpected character at line 1. The hell? It's not JSON, I guess. Let's see what response am I getting. Hey, there's something. Body locked. URL. What is the response, please? I'll just send it the normal response then. Send file. Not, I don't want to send the file. And string this is successfully. I think it's better to do this. Take messages. Okay. What exactly has changed? It looks the same for me. Theme URL, frame URL. Oh my god, yeah, it's the post and it's the guest. Take messages, leaderboard. Yeah, that's exactly the same. C.send string. C.send string. Yep, that's perfectly it is. As it can be. See one last time. Response. It says. Well, I'm not sending a JSON. I'm getting a text. See. Got it. This is leaderboard. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add the I think it's better to have it in a JSON. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So where's the damn leaderboard? When you get the stats, when you do this, use a leaderboard. So that's for today's stream. So so the leaderboard would have a username and points. It tries to get it here. What is this damn thing? It's unused. It's a set. It's a hash set. Let's just also do this. Hash set and use a leaderboard. Where are the damn stats? The messages, and it goes to the message queue. What does this do? It basically takes here, it goes to user database, and what else happens there? Every user database, this is what it does. Exists. Check for database. Fine. Until then, it comes to here. Okay. Then leaderboard.add. This is the damn points. First, I need to count this. I need to handle the leaderboard in separate way. Utils. The damn utils. Leaderboard.t. Oh, sorry. Go. So what does it do? Package utils. So as a function, get leaderboard. Yeah, it can have it. No problem. So get leaderboard and then function set leaderboard. What does it need? It needs a user, is it needs to be small or capital? It should be user, I guess. So if contains username, or else then do the user ID. As the user points, then update leaderboard. Where's the damn leaderboard? Where leaderboard of new asset? Here's something. Contains user ID. If it has the damn user ID, then we just need to update it. How can I update? I need to do something. So let's deal with this. So type where's the damn model? So username and points, and there will be user ID, which will be let's again use it as a string. Doesn't really matter. Was I using user ID as a string? Yes. Nope, it's a string as well. So instead of this, so set leaderboard. And is it? There is a property called go map. I recall it. Go map, not Golang. Go maps in action. So maps. So can I use it? So this is a new asset. Needs to add some data to it. I think hash map is a lot better. Yep. I need to do a sort. I don't know what's happening. If I take this and then what? Pretty straightforward code. So I need to do this now. Okay. So we can use it from outside, so I can set it. Leaderboard. Leader, okay. Leader, and this is going to be capital L. Arrows, this one. So far this is what I have, and this should work now. Let's see. Leaderboard. So, not console, sorry. fmt.print L, that's fine. Okay, what am I doing? The main function now, I need to do this. And just do the point, +1. So user ID should not be storing all this information, I guess. So let's say const new. Okay, this is existing user. Coins +1. So new leader. Just do this. This will work. What's the problem? Type doom is not a constant. Okay, let's give it as a var. It's fine. Now let's do this. If it's not there, then store it as a user. I'm not spending it as a user myself, so all I need is user, I guess. I'll be getting user, and from here I need to fetch this user ID, user name, user points 1. Okay, and I need to set this up first. New leader 1, and then use new leader. Okay, set board. It's going to set and it's going to fetch. Let's see. Main user database. After getting this is where it gets, and I need to do this. Utils dot. Let's see now, and in the main function, leaderboard. Yep, in the leaderboard I need to call utils dot top get top leaderboard, I guess. Yep, should be fine. Now let's fetch it. What I'm going to do is I'm sending a message. Hi, what's up? So I sent the message. It should have updated by now. Looks like it's not updating. Let's see, is the database leader.go with the database? Let's see what exactly it's holding. With a print leaderboard. See, I know it's going to be empty. What's up? Am I ignoring my own stats? It can be possible. So I'm just going to change my username to something else. Occupy, dismiss. Let's see. I don't think the function is getting called at all. Definitely feels like a problem. Definitely feels. Did I close the damn terminal? Oh my goodness. Oh, that's completely different. Okay. Postman. What is? I did a mistake. I did a mistake. Coding. No. Coding block. String system. String system. Bot. Main. I need to run this. It's something else now. Is it? Is it? Yo, man, I'm back. Welcome back. I'm almost done with my. I mean, I'm still in the testing phase. I just need to send something. Why is it 81? I think the port should be something else. Scroll above, please. Scroll above. That's way too up. Not that much. Scroll down. Where is my mouse? Okay. It went again outside. It should be 3000. Yes. या स्क्रिप्ट गिटहब में है ना? है, गिटहब में है वैसे. स्ट्रीम असिस्टेंट नाम का है, देख लो. Oh yes, stream URL है. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's see. Take messages. I need to do something else now. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. If you want, I can contribute with Git. Well, what are you going to contribute in? I mean, if you want to, you can clone it, do your own thing. But I don't really have any. It's the GIF thing. Okay. Sorry. I thought I read it as Git. So the thing is, I already have it, but it's breaking some things. So that's why I felt I don't really have that much viewer base. So I just ignore it. But I have it in the pipeline. But if you want to, yeah, you can do it. If you want to, you can do it. So I would like to have a separate HTML file to show the GIF so that I can control it from my OBS. If something goes bad, I just don't want to have that HTML. I can just ignore it. So either you can use server-side events or WebSocket or what else? Polling in general. In stream, so this is how basically works. This is the backend, and in the main function, if you want to get the user messages, you need to use this take messages or take GIF. Ignore this. So take messages. So what it does, it takes each message, like basically every message which you are typing right now will be coming to the screen. And from here, everything goes on. So in the message queue, this is where each message is going to be processed. It's pretty straightforward. If it has any of this, then there is an already action. Don't do multiple actions at once. So ignore it. If it's not even until here, so if it's not even into speak command, that's when this is. I think you can ignore this. This is not working anyways. Oh, this is the ignore user content method. Yeah, this is not working, so ignore it. You can write your if condition here. If it starts with, let's say, GIF, make sure you have at least one prefix so that it won't be a spam. So if start with GIF, you can write your logic here, make the API call or do something else and get the GIF URL, I guess. And once you get this, just send this URL to the HTML. You can use servers and events or WebSockets. There is already an active WebSocket working fine. So there is, it's right here. Socket, yeah, web message. So what it does, it's, I don't think this is the one. No, one second. There should be a WebSocket. Yep, right here. So here you can just send the same WebSocket to the HTML file. These all HTML files listen to the same WebSocket. The reason I have it separate because it can have its own logic. So here, so and you can just write a simple if condition like GIF URL. If it has it, then push it into the GIF queue. What it does, it basically shows the GIF in the HTML. It's working fine the last time I checked, but there is something wrong. So I gave up. For this, for me to work on this, I need to have at least some decent viewers, at least 5, so that I already have speak command, I already have likes. I invest a lot of my time building all these things, but yet no one is watching, which is, again, this is all a hobby. I'm not doing this for streaming. I wanted to do this while I'm streaming. So yes, I still have energy and time to invest in this, but I didn't think GIF is what people are mostly going to use. So that's why I just stopped working on it, because I already have this likes, comments, and speak command. No one is even using the speak command. It was actually highly used when I was streaming in India, but now no one is using it. So I had to fix those things first and then come to this. I can do this, but again, I don't see is it really needed or people are going to really use it. So if I search for, let's say, Spider-Man, what GIF I'm going to show if they want to search for one thing and I didn't show that? They can post their links directly, I mean the GIF links, but that would be a lot complicated and YouTube's going to think like my chat is made up of bot. It's right. I don't really know how it works. So not application fault. Where is the time? 3000. It should be some 3000. You have an idea? This is what I thought. I think you shared that. What is it? What's the website name? I forgot the website name. The API name, the public API. Maybe something. I have the backup now. The backup is working fine. Tenor APIs. Remember TE. So this is the thing. Version demand, we search. Python, we get this. What is the excited? And these are the flags. How can I integrate this with my chat system? The problem is people don't really have that much typing patience. This is what I feel. So it needs to search something. So we can just call whatever we are trying to call, and then it shows up. I don't need suggestions. Parameters key, one, locale, filter, media filter. Suppose if you type kick owner, then a GIF shows with your profile kicking you. Really? If I did a kick owner, oh, that's, I didn't think it of. I didn't think this. Sorry, I didn't think it in this way. So they can affect me using the GIFs. But how am I? So let's say there is a GIF which, oh, it's hell funny. Yep. Let's say there is a kick GIF. How are they going to attach my profile picture in grid and kick it? This is awesome. Okay. I mean, I can get the GIF from here, or I think you need to explain it more. I'm losing my mind. Random GIF? No. Custom API? No. Is that already inbuilt in this? Localization is what is it? Can you explain it a bit more? So there is a kick owner and kick it. Or you're trying to say there are prefixed GIF where someone say kick owner, I already have a GIF, get GIF, remove the background and then place it. That needs a lot of processing, my friend. This is actually running on a Raspberry Pi 02 with 32-bit processor. It hardly has 500 MB of RAM, and background removal needs a lot of things to be done. So it's an interesting idea, but I need to manage my resources as well. And it's not just the streaming application is running on the Raspberry Pi, my reverse proxy, as well as some other servers. I keep it up. It's also running on the same Raspberry Pi. I don't know if it's, let's see how much resources it's taking right now. Oh, sorry. I can still have some spare CPU, but I don't want to throttle it completely. The touch. Is it top? Yep, top. So it's currently using 10% CPU. Well, if you can. It's not really taking that much. Yeah, it's top, yep. It's not really taking that much. Can you send a message? Let's see if I send a message, what's going to happen. Okay, up. Every kind of message, nothing's happening. Well, looks like my Go program, maybe Go language is really efficient. I don't even see them. You just bombard my panel with messages and I'll do the same. Speak, hi. Hey,
Rocky Bai says, hi W.
Why not understand? Oh, this is awesome. I didn't think this is this fast. But fine, I guess.
Jagdeep Singh says, I am awesome.
I don't even see a spike at all. My service, I don't think my service is actually being shown here. Where can I see my service? Oh, yeah, there is the alerts. Where did it go? So you saw the alerts previously. That's what the
Anton B says, poop.
Anton is back, finally using the speaker. Oh yeah, I can see this. So the alert service came up and went down. So you see this alert service? It's gone again. So it's coming and it's going. That is super efficient. That's what I wanted it to do. I don't want it to be staying all the time up. So that's fine. Let's see how my browser currently is doing. So this is what, nightly, this is what I'm using. And also this. So yeah, it's fine. I can spare. I have a lot of RAM. So alert C it's up here, 0.3, and it went down. So at max, it's not using that much. So I have enough room, but again, I promise you, bro, your work is awesome, but your stream time is so bad. I felt it cringe. So, but still, thanks for the like, whoever liked it. Thank you so much. You can text. I understand, but this is the only time I can actually stream. I cannot stream while I'm working. I cannot wake up early, like 6 in the morning, and then do a stream. No. I can't stream in the afternoon. I can't stream right after my work. That's true. I thought about it a lot. I genuinely thought about it a lot. When do I actually stream? Because this is the only time I have. What would you do? Imagine you wake up at 8. I still don't have my breakfast and still sleep again after 6. Wake up then. I think it's almost 9 or 10. I thought people are going to wake up this early, but I didn't hope Indian people are going to watch this because I know. Hey man, I may be biased, but I think your stream time is great. See? So the time is subjective. So I know that in India it's not the right time, but again, this is a fine time to stream in US. It's fine. There is no way I can only balance the time zones difference only if I stream in the afternoon. But I can't really stream in afternoon on weekdays. I can stream on Saturday and Sunday. But that's completely other story. But yes, I can stream at the same time every day. I can't promise I'll be streaming coding. I might stream games. I will stream this time. So I'm actually impressed. I didn't think I thought my code would take a lot of CPUs because there are a lot of concurrent programming. It's fine. Max, I only saw it to go 0.7. How much is 0.7? Is it 1 core? In my point of view, everyone gets up after 8 or 9 a.m. I'm reading it as a.m. Like most people of yeah, that's true. But I don't expect them to watch my stream. You wake up, you already have. Wait a minute, who is this? Bed Jeff. That's a new guy. 11 p.m. here, late night coding, ASMR stream. Lol. Welcome to this. What is the right word? Welcome to the home hoodie neighborhood. Bad Jeff. I didn't see you. I thought that was a bot actually. So, Bad Jeff, welcome to the channel. I'm sure you're the first time here. There are a lot of commands which you might like. So I want you to give it a try.
Anthon B says, Bat Jeff.
Yep. It's bad or bad? It's bad. So I want you to give it a try. I hope you're still here. So you can use the speak command just like how Anton has used, or you can say something else. Oh, I don't know what is. Thanks for enjoying the stream so far. Yep. Enjoying the stream. That's the main goal. Yep. So I have developed some commands. We could all work together on a startup. I am down for anything. The only thing I can provide is just coding things. Other than that, I don't really have a lot of circle or political influence. I'm not an M. Bro, yesterday I tried to add SRC folder, but it's messed up folder. In P, yep, I understand. It's correct. What is green stack? Let's see. Gardening. Oh, it's an okay. Go ahead. If you want to share, you can. So, Bad Jeff, if you like my stream, something's going to happen. If you already liked it, then remove the like. Don't dislike it. Just remove the like. Then something else is going to happen. It's always better to have an. So there is a like difference, so that's why this happens. So if you like, again, the same thing, the cat music will come again. But there are other commands as well. If you can just type Iron Man, like, who was the other person who removed the like? Who was the other person? It's a startup idea for automated farms. So that's what happens if someone basically likes. Who is the other? Is it Anton or Jagdeep? Who is the other person who removed the? Hey, it's fine. If you guys are having fun, I'm having fun. That wasn't necessary. I mean now okay. I'm in the positive again. I had this doubt that people are going to spam it, but again, if you guys are having fun, then it's fine. This is what I thought. If there are too many differences in a given time, I thought to set a debouncer to ignore those. But I thought, how many viewers do I have? I don't think anybody would go like a raid or something with likes, so I just gave it up. That's fine. So okay, bad Jeff, uh, you can use the speak command. That's one thing, and the other one is thing you can control what appears on my face. You can type put Iron Man, put Batman, put ice, put frog, put Joker. I think these are what I have. You can give it a try. Until then, what I was trying to do. What was I trying to do? Oh yes. So just that's an off topic. Yes. I was trying.
Jagdeep Singh says, Joker mask.
Oh yeah, you said you typed Joker, so that's why I have a Joker mask. It feels really good when things work. Even now I don't have 100% confidence that it's going to work all the time. It's not with the code, it's just I need to turn on a few things when I start streaming, and those things are buggy. Those are not part of my code, it's just how these applications are. But yeah, it feels good that things are working. So what I was doing, so leaderboard. For that I need to test. I need to do some changes. Take messages, raw text, JSON. Oh, do one thing. Go and let Tenor API from Google Developer. Go and get Tenor API from Google Developer. It's free. I only have this. Oh, quick start Tenor is this what you're talking about? Is this the same? Oh, Google Cloud API. I have crossed this. They want me to add my billing information. I mean, it's not their fault. It's not my fault as well. I don't know why. I didn't really use it that much. No need to pay. Yes, yeah, but so this is what happens. Tenor API. Cool. Yes. Select the project. We've already done my first project. That's fine. But I didn't really test it with this. But just a few moments ago, I tried. Oh, show API key one. Okay, I got the key. What now? But how can I handle if multiple people are going to send GIF? I will limit this all the API. Okay, API is a testing. I think there should be a test feature here. I don't know if I have. Okay. I'm doing it 1 second, please. I'm doing it, but I just didn't want it to open up my API key. So that's why 1 second. Here's the stamping. Calling in the browser. Yes, all working. I got okay. That's what I got. I got okay. Maybe I need to do it in the terminal. Let's see. I got something, and the status, the contents is okay. I didn't get anything. Let me scroll down. No. So this, I don't know how to show it to you without exposing my API key, but yeah, looks like it. I don't see any images. So I have given excited. Let's give food. I'm giving the API the query as food. It's not giving me anything. Should I have to do something else? Should I set it something? I thought it could work actually. So all it does is just status code. Okay. But what it is showing. Okay, I'll just copy paste what it showed to me so this is what it's showing to me. So okay, shader description. Okay. And inside images there is nothing. I have given food as the query. Other than that, I don't have any. Yep. So if you know what's happening, then let me know. I'll keep it to the side. By the meantime, I'll be working on this. What is the messages? What is the messages? Take messages. Take messages, message payload. It has an array. Okay. Let's give it an array of JSON of chat message. So author name. Let's just give it a sample ID. That's fine. ChatGPT, where the hell are you when I need you? Give me a sample JSON. Yes, I'm calling the. I just did a curl as well as I did the same in the browser as well. Nothing seems to work. Maybe I need to turn on some things. Well, I have replaced my API key. What client ID I need to do? Let's see. It says client key, my test app. So where should I get my client key? Where should I get my client key? My test app. It shows my test app. Firebase. I think I'm fine now. Can I do the Tenor API directly instead of using this Google API? Is there any reason for using Google Tenor instead of normal Tenor? I'm doing a curl for this. I hope I get something for this. Images, I still didn't get any. Okay, let's try going to Firebase. So client key. I need to get my client key. That's it. I know where to get it from. No worries. No worries. Hell, it doesn't have my app. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's something else. Actually, 1 second, please. So with views, I should be getting a Tenor API key. Okay, I got the API key. So I kind of forgot which. I think I gave it for views. Okay, I'm in my project now. I need to get the client. So let's say this is where I am right now. So where can I get the client? When did they change the UI? So this is the project I have selected, views. It should be somewhere here, I think. Authentication. This is the build. Okay. What else? Select authorize the authentication. Okay. Started. This is not what we truly want actually. Is there something here? Client API? Why do I need Google Auth? Alright, just go. What is this? Is this the client ID? Correct client ID? Is there any way I can avoid Google client? That's why is this thing is not working? There's nothing inside it. It's fine all. There are. I don't really want to use that. The Google things. Is there any way I can use it normally from here? So step 1. Maybe I need my own API key set up. Oh, developer dashboard. I do have an API key, so let's use it. See. How do I need to log in now? Wonderful. Wonderful boy, wonderful. Make invalid. Okay, I'm just going to use the 10 hours. I'm going to make a sign in. It's not letting me sign in. Okay, I'm refreshing. Sign in with Google. Okay, even this needs Google. Wonderful. So I signed in with Google. What else? I'm signing up. 1 second, please. The checkbox is really tiny. Please log in to complete action. I already logged in. I already logged in. What's that? Oh my god. Let's give this thing a break. Man, I already logged in. What is the point? Okay, let's see. API. Where can I get the damn API from? Profile? No. It says your key should be available. I said you can't do it in like, oh, I can't do it like this? That's sad. Okay, I'll just do it then. Okay. I still have this the Firebase open. I just press save. It's taking some time. Let's see. Okay, I have done this thing. It should be somewhere here. Where's the damn client ID? Where's the damn client ID? I'm in settings, user account. Project settings. I have project ID, but I don't see the client ID. Is project ID now? Check sign in method in Google Firebase. Okay, sign in method. Inside sign in method, do I need to add a provider? No. Okay, I don't see anything. So this is what I have. Google and enable. That's it. Usage? No. Usage? No. Edit. Okay. Oh, I think this is the client ID. That's worse. That's just worse. Okay. What kind of a query string parameter is this? Well, it's fine. I'm going to reset it anyways if I really wanted to use it. So, see. Still don't get any messages though. I just ran the same thing with the client ID. I did the same thing, and I have the API key as well. Yep, that's the same thing. Let's just use a new API key which I got. See now. I can just ignore the project itself. I'm not using this view section anymore. I'll just let it go. I'm not getting any images. It's empty again. I have to deep dive into this myself. Oh, it's 11:40 again. Did someone text me in Discord? Nope. Fine. Closing all this for now. Oh, I forgot about this. Give me an array of sample. See, what have you sent me? Friend request? Is that Jagdeep? Yep, that's you done. What is this? Oh, okay, this. Okay, then pass it in here. Come on, man. I need to do this. That's exactly what I did. Well, in my case, the what's the action? Action. Oh, okay. That's a. Random. Okay. Okay, this. This is where we use this here, and in the client, I have a very long client. Let's see. This is the exact same thing I'm using right now. I hope it just works, please. I got some data. So I'm going to. Oh, actually, I have your URL in this. I got a lot of GIFs, and from this, let's pick something, and I just do this. Is it going to be giving me? Is it giving me frames? Oh, you search for 50. Yep, I can open some images which it's trying to show. Yep, some anime. Yep, that's anime. That's a GIF. Yep, found it. A nano GIF. All right, this seems interesting now. Yep, you can see I got the GIF right here. So this is how it's done then. Find ID. Dun, dun, dun. How can I integrate this? How can users pick? Well, I just need to figure out something. Oh yeah. That's fine. Thanks a lot, Jagdeep. Dhanyawad. I still can't figure out like the background removal, everything. That's fine. I need to put what people have in their mind actually. Look who's climbing the leaderboard. Jagdeep Singh, 230 points. In a query, yeah, you just did anime plus. Yep. Right on the left side, yep. I saw your action. I understand this, but how can I integrate? Let's say I have this in my mind, but how can I add it into GIF? So a user needs to press a lot. Again, I need to integrate this one day. I can integrate this one day. Got to see building. So damn GPT. I told him to give me in JSON. Good thing. It's trying to do something. Okay. Does it work? Cannot get. That's not a get. That's a post. Yep. Get. Cannot post. Take messages. Request query. What went wrong? Oh, okay, I don't need this. And at least request what? What's happening now? I'm losing my mind. I'm losing my mind. Thanks for sharing the Tenor API. I really appreciate it. I will look into it, but I still have one question. So imagine this is what I'm going to make the users to type: exclamation GIF, space something, and how can I break into actions and then this? Need to bring something. Let's say if the search keyword is anime and action is fight. So how can I determine? How can the user tell anime plus fight? Passing the GIF from one screen to the HTML to the OBS, that's fine. Yep. Take messages. Sweet. Oh no. It's 128. Nope. It's 128. And what the hell is going on here? Message payload. Oh no, messages. It should need to have inside messages. Messages. This is how it needs to look. Oh, now it works. Messages successfully. What's happening? Something. Oh, this is the leaderboard which I'm talking about. Okay, that's fine. Promising. Alice Cooper process. This is the leaderboard. This is the leaderboard. I'm coming to the leaderboard. Damn it, just print it. So main, when I come to leaderboard, get of two leaderboards, and it should print it. md.print. I can work on this sometime else. It's already 11:46. I better go to sleep now. So don't save. Let it be this way. Don't save. What is it trying to send? No, it looks like my board has crashed. Alright people, I'm done for the day. I'll have to get some sleep, and then I have to wake up early. Probably have to start early to work as well. So until then, we'll see you tomorrow, same-ish time. Where's my OBS? Yep. Is there any last minute? Oh, Anton, you're still. See you, Anton. Good night. No problem. It's my pleasure. I'm stopping the stream now. I have to go sleep. Hey, you're still here, Badger? Have a good night, you too. Thank you so much for the newcomer. Let's give you a grand welcome once again. Thank you for joining. Someone liked. Thanks for the like. The stream has reached 5 likes. Highest in the entire week. Is there anyone new? I'm about to stop the stream. Very wrong timing. It's almost 11:50. I need to go to sleep by 12 because I need to wake up, start working again for tomorrow. Alright. Bye bye, people. Have a good day and good night.